3號強風信號喺下晝12點40分發出，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺下晝1點，強烈熱帶風暴馬鞍集結喺香港之東南大約440公里，即係北緯19.4度、東經117度附近，預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約25公里，大致移向廣東西部沿岸。同馬鞍相關嘅外圍雨帶正靠近珠江口一帶。本港今日稍後會有狂風驟雨同雷暴，入夜之後風勢將會迅速增強。天文台會考慮喺下晝6點至9點之間改發8號烈風或暴風信號。今晚有大浪至巨浪，海面有湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊並停止所有水上活動。按照現時預測路徑，馬鞍會喺聽朝最接近香港，並可能喺本港西南偏南大約200公里範圍內掠過，對本港構成相當威脅。受風暴潮影響，同時值天文漲潮，鰂魚涌嘅海水高度會喺聽日上晝5點至9點期間上漲至海圖基準面以上大約3米，即係比正常升高1米左右。海水上漲可能會引致低洼地區出現水浸。市民請留意天文台嘅最新天氣消息，並盡早完成防風防水浸措施。
The T3 storm warning has been hoisted as severe tropical storm Ma-on edges closer to Hong Kong. The observatory says it will consider issuing the number 8 signal as severe tropical storm Ma-on moves closer to Hong Kong. The strong wind signal number 3 was raised about 20 minutes ago and is now in force. Acting Senior Scientific Officer Or Ming Keung says the weather will worsen later today.
According to the present forecast track, Ma-on would intensify gradually and expected to be closest to Hong Kong tomorrow morning and may skirt within about 200 kilometers south-southwest of the territory, posing a considerable threat to Hong Kong. The outer ring bands associated with Ma-on will bring us scory showers and thunderstorms later today, and local winds will strengthen rapidly tonight. The observatory will consider issuing the number 8 gale or storm signal between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. tonight.